I know it's been really long since I made a video, but here I am. So today I was planning on painting something. Today I'll be customizing this container. I know it seems too simple, but I'm still curious to find out how it will be after it looks customized. Let's get started.
I found out that the edges were rough, which could rip the paint off easily after it dries, so I planned on applying a layer of glue to smoothen it. And yes, my palette is very dirty. I could still feel the rough edges of the lid, so just in case I was planning on applying a second layer of glue. In the end, I had to apply 4 layers of glue to smoothen it, and I don't want to keep showing you glue on my lid, so now let's move on to the base coat. I was planning on applying gold for the lid because I wanted it to shine, and it went well with the color that I was choosing for the container. First thing that I want to mention here is that I'm a foodie. I love snacks, I love desserts, and I love candy. And just so you know, I'm just expressing my craving thoughts on the lid. I wanted the design on the candy to be hypnotic and swirly so that it mesmerizes you and start your cravings. I wanted the colors of the candy to be contrast like red, blue and white. I got a red tint on the blue and it turned purple. So I had to manage that. I had to paint it blue again so that it looks more blue than purple. I didn't get much of a contrast combination for the second candy, so I had to use purple, which I had already used in the previous candy. So that is all I'll be doing for the lid, and now let's move on to the container. Painting the base coat of the container was my favorite part. It was so smooth and I wanted to keep applying on and on. The design I was going for the container was actually inspired by one of Zach King's videos. If you don't know who Zach King is, he's a really famous magician with extreme video editing skills. So in one of his videos, he would have eaten a cloud like cotton candy. So I planned on painting cotton candy clouds. For the color of the cotton candy clouds, I wanted to go for pink because white or blue wouldn't have given much effect, and I wanted its colors to go in a gradient way. You will come to know of what I mean as we move on in the video. I wanted to do a detailing for every single cloud because I wanted them to be seen clearly. So I applied a layer of a lighter pink for its detailing. I get bored too easily while doing the same thing, so I wanted to take a break from the clouds and paint the bottom of the container. As I moved on painting the clouds, I could see that every single stroke I paint inside a cloud could be seen, and it made the whole look hideous. But I had much confidence that once I paint the second layer, it will turn out really good. As I said, after the second layer, it turned out really beautiful. I've already mentioned you my love for candy, but I wanted more. So I was planning on drawing a giant, huge lollipop. I felt like turquoise was a really nice and contrast color with pink, so I went with that. And a lighter turquoise for detailing. I also added a red ribbon for cuteness. I know my hand is full of colors whenever I paint in the video, but I have an excuse. I'm an artist. I felt like it was still plain, so I added some sprinkles. But that was not enough. I wanted to paint something cute, but I didn't get the chance earlier. So now I was planning on drawing an owl. For my expectations, it turned out really cute. So I gave it a name, Owlita. I was applying yellow for the beak, which was my gravest mistake because it didn't look good. And in the behind the scenes, I had to change it and the eyes, and it turned out really, really cute. Now I have completed the full container and I am really, really satisfied with it. Hope you liked it too.
Hope you liked it, and if you did, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe and share.